KashKick redemption history. Issues usually come down to incorrect account information, delayed updates, or confusion about which redemption activity is being displayed, so checking the details first can help identify the problem faster. By the end, you'll know what to check when your KashKick redemption history looks wrong, how to verify your account activity, and what information to provide if you need support. Start by opening your KashKick account and reviewing your redemption history carefully. Check the listed rewards, dates, and status information to see exactly what appears incorrect. The first step is identifying the type of problem. A missing redemption, an incorrect status, or a reward that does not match your expectations are different issues. Explain the exact problem instead of only saying that your history is wrong. Next, compare your redemption history with your own records. Check any confirmation messages, emails, or screenshots related to the redemption. These details can help you confirm whether the issue is a display problem or an account activity issue. If the information still looks incorrect, contact KashKick support with specific details. Include your account information, the redemption involved, the date it occurred, and a clear description of what you expected to see. Avoid sending a general message without details. Support needs enough information to locate the activity and understand what needs to be reviewed. Another thing to check is whether the redemption status has updated correctly. Some account activity may require processing time before the final status appears. Review the latest information in your account before submitting a request. If you notice multiple incorrect entries, list each one separately. A clear list makes it easier for support to check each transaction instead of trying to identify the issue from a vague description. Keep your communication focused on the redemption history problem. Adding unrelated questions in the same request can make the review process less clear. Before sending your message, make sure the details are accurate and complete. A support request with the correct account information and transaction details gives the team the best chance of helping. To summarize, check the redemption details, compare them with your records, and contact KashKick support with specific information if the issue continues. Your next step is to open your redemption history, identify the exact mismatch, and prepare the details before submitting a support request. If this guide helped you fix a KashKick account issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and earning platform tips.